Hello friends of felines, and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're venturing on my channel for the first time today. Today's video is just going to be a really quick one because I just got my second TrendMood box ever. So if you guys are interested to see what is in here and what my thoughts are, then definitely keep on watching. So if you're curious on what is on my face and why I have a beauty mark, then definitely go check out my last video. I reviewed and did a tutorial based off Marilyn Monroe and the collection from Best Me Cosmetics. Whether my makeup actually turned out looking like Marilyn Monroe's is for you to decide, but definitely go check it out. So like I said, this is my second TrendMood box. The first one I got was like the one that was curated with all like Black owned beauty brands. So that one was like super cool and I was really happy to support them. This one I knew that they were doing for a really long time, but I was waiting for them to get through like all of their brand specified boxes. Like their last one was the first A Beauty one, and this one was like one with a bunch of different like brands, but there was only 4 items in here and I paid $48 for it. And on top of that, one of the items I already actually own. So I already did open it and peered inside, but everything is always like so well packaged. I mean, I already ripped it, but like super cute. Everything's already taped up and you've got everything bubble wrapped. So here are the 4 items in here. Alright, so the first one up is from Glow Recipe. This is their new Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. And I actually already have this. I got this for free from Influencer in one of my boxes. And I didn't realize that they actually gave it to me like before I had even released to the store. So that was like super cool. I'm currently using it now. A little goes a long way. It has a very hint scent of watermelon. It's definitely not too overpowering. And it is super, super moisturizing. Like I used it today. I just like did my regular like body wash, and then I used the KP Bump Cream from First Aid Beauty, and then when I got a shower I applied this lotion, and like my skin is just like so soft, but it doesn't like make it feel like slimy like some lotions do when you like put them on after the shower. So like I said, I already have this. I think I conned my sister into buying. I didn't con her, but I'm like, hey, like this is awesome. She tried a little bit of mine, she liked it, and I was like, look, like I'll sell this to you for like $10 because that's like a good deal, and then I get a little bit of money back, so I feel like I didn't waste like $48 on 3 items instead of 4. So like normally Glow Recipe is a little bit more pricey. Like I know I just spent like $42, well I did use a coupon code like through Sephora to get their avocado recovery ceramide cream lotion thing, but this body cream is only $28. So I told my sister, I was like, hey, it's yours if you give me like $10. That way I get like a little bit of money back, as long as she gives me 10. Of course, like they're freaking mowing the lawn. I swear I can never film a video in my new place or my old place without people mowing the lawn. Like what the heck? So like I said, if my sister gives me $10, then this is hers. If she doesn't and forgets about it or decides she doesn't want it, then it will definitely go into a giveaway. Alright, next things up is the Biosense Squalene BHA Pore Minimizing Toner. This right here is a pretty hefty bottle. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand, but it's got squalene in it, which is really good for moisturizing, and obviously BHA for exfoliating, and pore minimizing toner. So I'm starting to realize like my pores are getting like super big right on my nose area, and I did just get the Pharmacy BHA toner, and I've got this one, so I gotta like figure out which one I want to use once I use up my PHA toner from Inky List. But this one's got squalene in it, so this one might like beat out the Pharmacy one. So here is the bottle. It is a glass bottle and it has like a green tint to it, whether that's like the glass bottle or it's like the stuff inside. But I'm super excited to give this a try. This is like super heavy. So this toner is also worth $28, which I feel like it's not too bad for a toner, maybe a little bit more than I want to spend, but already with 2 items, that's more than what you paid for the box, even though I'm not keeping like the Watermelon Glow from Glow Recipe, but I'm super excited to give this a try. Next thing is something from Dominique Cosmetics, which I don't really have much from that brand. I did get in my like one of my subscription boxes a lip liner, but this is the Dominique Cosmetics, I don't know, some eyeshadow palette, Born to Make History palette. I don't know. I don't really know what the name of it is, but it's like the sold out one that has like all this pink packaging, like get it girl, all that stuff. It's been sold out for a while and people have been wanting to get it, and I've never tried Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadows before, but this is the packaging. That is like so cute. I love it. And inside the box, it's all like glittery, like there was glitter in here. It says, "You were born to make history. You are not afraid to take risks. You don't second guess yourself. You definitely don't care what anyone else thinks. You trust your gut. You are proud to be different. You might be a mother, sister, daughter, friend, wife, partner, and you balance it all every single day. You know hustle. You've been knocked down, but you always get back up. Each time stronger, better, and more powerful than before. And if you ever lose faith in yourself, you look in the mirror, take a deep breath, and then remember who you are. You are a hero. You are unstoppable. Your time is now. Make it happen. Make your dreams become reality. It's now or never." So yeah, that's super cheesy, but it's also a really good message. And I love the whole like women empowerment theme behind this. And it's got like a lot of like cute little things on here. It says like, never apologize for being a powerful woman. Don't be a lady. Be a legend. Be afraid and do it anyways. So yeah, super cute. Oh no. No. That's why there was glitter everywhere. Like this freaking, this glitter shade completely broke. Oh no. That's like my first ever like broken eyeshadow palette. And it's of course the glitter one. Like that's gonna get everywhere. Like I'm too afraid to like, now there's glitter. Why'd it have to be the glitter one? Why? Like it is a really good glitter. I'm very specific about my types of glitters. But it's not bad. But I'm gonna swatch the rest. I can't hold it up to you. I'm gonna have to try to like salvage that, but that's so sad. I was like, oh, they just put glitter in here and make it look all cute. No, it was the glitter shade that shattered all over the place. I'm so sad. Like this is my first Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette and it shattered. No. Okay, just ignore the fact that there's glitter everywhere, but I swatched them all on my hand. They're all out of order. So this one is Powerful Bitch. The glitter is Reina, which I think means like queen. This pink one is really pretty. This one is Self-Made. This one is Boss Babe. And the shimmer is called Empire. And like those are all beautiful. And like that glitter is amazing. I'm just really, really, really upset that it shattered. I mean, and like I'm able to like press it back into there. But God, that sucks. And now there's just like glitter all over the place. Like just look at this mess. It's all over the mirror. It's all over my hands now. Oh. But these swatched beautifully. Like that is amazing. I can't wait to play with that palette. I'm gonna definitely do like playing with new makeup at some point. I have a lot of makeup to play with, to be honest. But I will be playing with this palette at some point. By the way, I tried to wipe off this like really bright pink color and it's definitely going to stain. And it was the most rough feeling out of all of them. They were all really creamy and soft to touch, but this pink one was a little rough, which I find it a lot with like hot pink shades. By the way, that 6-pan eyeshadow palette was $25. Which is a little iffy for me, but again, it's super sad that it shattered, but again, it's not their fault. All right, last but not least, which is like the whole reason why I wanted this box. Like as soon as I saw a sneak peek saying that this was going to be in the box, I was like, yes, I need it right now. And that is the new Tatcha Silk Powder. So I've only tried a sample size of the liquid silk canvas primer and I fell in love, which is so dangerous because I'm like, now I want to go buy this, but I don't want to spend that much money. I definitely wouldn't go buy like the regular silk canvas one because I feel like the e.l.f. Putty Primer is a really good dupe, but the liquid canvas one I absolutely adored. So here's the actual packaging. It's like their stereotypical like package. Oh, that's interesting. It's got like a little like thing like up here. I don't know if you like, oh, pull that off. That's interesting. I've never seen that before. And then like it comes out like the sides of this little like hole thing. I'm just gonna see if there's like, oh, that is so finely milled. Holy crap. I'm really excited to try that out. I hope it works really well. So this Tatcha Silk Powder is $48. Definitely want to go out of my way to purchase that, but I still kind of really want to try the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I've never tried it, even though it's like a cult classic, and it might be like old news by now. Well, it definitely is, but I still want to give it a try. So I'm going to add up everything to see how much this box was worth, which is definitely going to be worth the money that you paid. So this box alone with 4 items was $129, and like that's awesome because you only paid like $48 for it. Like I said, I'm gonna see if my sister wants to give me like $10 for this so I can give that away, but obviously I love everything else. Still heartbroken that the glitter shade was broken in here. Like I'm scared to like tip it around or anything. But yeah, that's everything in the box. I know it's like a super quick, super short video. I'm obviously not trying out any of the makeup right now. Plus there's only 2 makeup items. But definitely stay tuned because I will be doing a playing with new makeup or like new to me makeup. Got my whole like filming drawer down here with like new stuff. So we've got a bunch in here. We've got the stuff I just got today. We also have like the Natasha Denona palette. We've got the Victoria Beckham mascara, Pixie primer, some lip glosses, lip liner, some Ofra highlighters, as well as some Jaclyn cosmetic products. So make sure you guys are subscribed and have the notifications turned on so you know when that video goes live. Well, that is everything for today's quick little video. If you guys enjoyed it, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. I love you guys. If you subscribe to my channel, I welcome you to Feline family. Bye!